Now, what are the freelance agreement types na may experience mo sa freelancing? It could be hourly, it could be fixed price, it could be project-based, it could be milestone-based, it could be commission-based, it could be retainer contract. Ano naman yung freelance agreements types? Okay, for a newbie, kailangan mo malaman to. Merong time tracker, yung naglalagin ka, nga kinakalculate yung time mo. Okay, kinakalculate yung time mo. And at the same time, nag-i-screenshot yung time tracker. Nag-i-screenshot sa computer mo to make sure na nagtatrabaho ka ba talaga. And meron ding walang time tracker, at saka meron ding task-based lang. Babayaran ka lang based on task na binigay mo or trinabaho mo. Okay. Ibig sabihin nitong pangalawang bullet na to na no time tracker. Ibig sabihin you could be working for a client na yung agreement nyo is flexible working schedule ka. Like you are working full-time, 8 hours a day, regardless anong oras ka mag-work, basta 8 hours ka mag-work. Okay, possible wala kang time tracker kung ganyan, or meron ding mga bases na meron. So now you would know na walang two clients na the same yung agreements kasi lahat iba-iba. Iba-iba nag-ooperate every client eh. Now, freelance agreements, merong fixed time, merong flexible time. Okay? I will give you an example on that. First example is naka-hourly ka agreement with a client, may time tracker, fixed yung time, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, ibig sabihin yan, 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. ka mag-work sa Philippine Time. Para kang sa corporate world, ang term nila dyan is graveyard shift or something. Pero sa freelancing, hindi yan yung tawag. You are just working, not just graveyard. Okay? Dalawa, hourly, may time tracker, fixed yung 4 hours, at saka flexible yung 4 hours. Nagkaroon ako ng client na ganito before. So maganda siya. Kasi ang reason why may fixed time hours ka, kailangan mo mag-work ng 8 p.m. to 12 midnight ng Philippine time kasi para may overlap hours ka sa mga katrabaho mo na nasa ibang bansa din. And then, yung other 4 hours, ikaw na bahala anong oras within the day ka mag-work. Basta ang importante, 8 hours per day ka mag-work. At saka, ang pinaka-advisable ko sa lahat, pero hindi siya beginner-friendly, is project-based. Walang time tracker, at saka, of course, flexible ka. Flexible ka always pag nag-work ka as a project-based agreement.